How to fix Yahoo Mail login problem. So if you want to fix Yahoo Mail login problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And first, a key troubleshooting step involves clearing your browser cache and cookies, which might be preventing you from logging in successfully. So start by opening your Google Chrome on your computer and locate the three vertical dots situated at the top right corner of your browser. Now, this is the menu icon. You need to click on the drop-down menu. Within this menu, and you will have an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Once you click on it, this will bring up a new pop-up window. Now make sure that you've selected the right options. You need to go and delete the browsing data, the images or cached images and files, cookies and other site data, and browsing history. Once you do that, you need to go with last 7 days or last 24 hours or last hour or last 15 minutes. And then go with delete data, which will be on the bottom, and the data will be deleted. After that, if you're still facing the problem, then you need to double check your credentials. This means carefully entering your Yahoo email address and password. You can go with sign in, which will be on the top right, and then enter the correct email address and password. Take care to avoid any typos, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Sometimes a simple mistake in typing can block access. If these steps haven't solved the issue, then consider switching things up. Trying a different browser can sometimes be the trick. Each browser handles websites and data slightly differently. So switching from Chrome to Firefox or to Safari, for instance, might solve your problem. Alternatively, a simple restart of the current browser could clear up any temporary glitches in performance. These are common and effective ways to tackle Yahoo Mail login problems without diving into complicated tech solutions. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.